good afternoon. Today we are at Anuga 2025 and we are at Gansons stall. With us we have Mr. Deep Kundar. Hi Deep, can you please take us through what all you are showcasing in this year's Anuga 25?
So in this year's Anuga FoodTec 25, so we are giving you a complete solution of powders transfer, like material handling, spice handling systems, to material mixing systems, particle sizing, and then we have our flagship product, which is air sweep nozzles, and besides that we have lump breakers.
Okay.
Yes. So all these machines over here can be coupled with each other. For example, you can couple our transfer systems with our mixing systems, transfer systems with our sizing systems, transfer system with our bulk lump breaker systems. Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
So can you, how it helps your customers to increase their productivity? If you can one by one, if you can tell us.
Oh yes.
If you have any case studies from your customer side, without naming them, I understand. So if that will be really helpful for the readers.
So today, in this month itself, in the first week of August, I did a trial for a company which was transferring, which wanted to transfer paracetamol powder along with acetic acid solution, which was hygroscopic. Okay. So we used this conveying system because they were taking, it was a 20,000 liter machine vessel, which they were pouring material by hand, like paracetamol. So for that we proposed this vacuum transfer system. Now since this is a pilot scale model, it gave us a transfer rate of 750 kg per hour. But the largest model which we have, it can transfer the particles up to 12 tons per hour, 15 tons per hour, depending upon its material properties. So along with this particle transfer systems, we have valve systems such as diverter valves, and we have we have rotary scraper type rotary valve as well over there. If you can just focus.
Can you please focus on this?
This is a scraper type rotary valve. So basically what it does is, it is used for wet mass transfer, gravity transfer. So the best thing over here is, you can just remove this knob, open this door, you can open this rotor. This is a scraper. Yeah. So what it does is, it just scrapes off the wet mass out of the system, out of the blades, thereby not choking it. So as you saw, this works in the principle of compressed air. So we have another system, powder conveying system, which works on the principle of vacuum blower. This is also a vacuum transfer system. But if you see, we have a reactor charger over here. So this is our flap damper. This is used where we have to charge material inside a reactor. Because a reactor generally creates fumes. To arrest that fumes in the reactor, and it should not travel up to the box's filter, we provide double flap dampers. Yes. So it creates a gap between the two environments. Yes, sir.
Really helpful for the customer.
Oh yes. Then we have our best product over here, which is air sweep nozzles. So this is the first time we have displayed this nozzle over here. So basically what it does is, for example, we have a silo of say 30 to 40 tons. So basically, if there's a chili powder flake inside that silo, so it has a sticking property, right? Because of oil. So what it does, it creates a layer of spices on the surface of the silo. So when you open the valve, it gets choked. So to eradicate that sticking, we provide air sweep nozzles, which gives a 360 degree purge of air. With the help of this is a pressure vessel. Air charges inside this vessel and it's stored inside this. So right now it's working at 4 bars. It can be taken up to 8 to 10 bars also as well. And we are the only company in this unit where we provide this nozzles. So this is basically from Control Concepts USA. It is designed and manufactured over there. We as Aishin, we provide solutions to a lot of customers. Yes. And in food industry, we provide end-to-end solutions. Like we automate with design, we manufacture, we automate, and we commission from within ourselves itself. Yes, sir.
Great. So how has been this year's Anuga for you?
This year's Anuga is pretty good today. We have a lot of people who are inquiring about our systems, our machines as well. So
how do you retain your customers? That's one key. Since you are into the sales domain, how do you retain your customers? What are the specialities that your products have over the other competition?
Now, I don't know about other competitors as well, but I personally what think is that now since a customer comes and tells us a problem, we as a sales person, instead of giving them a sales background output, we give them a personalized output, like how they can help in their, we can help in their problem to solve that problem. For example, we had a client, basically a person who came and they told me that he has a problem transferring a material from mixing to blending, and then to storing, because it was just like the material was taken. So we gave them a solution and they were quite happy about it. That we as a vendor also, we are giving solutions, giving them ideas to how to eradicate that choking system. Yes.
Great. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much
sir.
for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Pleasure.
Pleasure.